Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing papaya banana hair mask for split ends and to get thicker and voluminous hair. For this, take papaya, banana, curd, olive oil and curry leaf powder. Now take a blender, add ripened banana and ripe papaya. To this add 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 to 2 tablespoons of curry leaf powder. This is homemade curry leaf powder. Dry the curry leaves and grind it into fine powder. To this add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now blend it into fine smooth paste. Now you can see the banana and papaya hair pack is ready and also it is very smooth. Now we will see how to use it. Apply this papaya banana hair pack at the roots of your hair and also the entire hair along the length of your hair and cover it with shower cap. Let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes and wash your hair with mild shampoo. Papaya banana are natural conditioners and also makes your hair smooth. Do apply this hair mask at least twice in a week. Those who are suffering from severe split ends and also thin hair. To get voluminous hair or thick hair, papaya is an excellent solution. Now we will see the papaya and banana hair mask benefits. Papaya helps in nourishing the hair shaft and creates volume. It helps in preventing balding. This hair mask helps in boosting hair strength and growth. This hair mask is efficient in controlling and preventing dandruff. This hair mask helps in reducing hair thinning and also removes excess oil from your hair naturally. By applying this hair mask, you can obtain strong, thick and shiny hair. Split ends can be prevented and reduced by using papaya hair mask, since papaya is rich in proteins. Papaya mask is very effective in treating split ends and brings life to hair by deep conditioning. Use this mask at least 1 to 2 times a week. This is a good solution for those who are suffering from split ends and thinning hair. Do try it and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.